this is Claudia from Union Service. Today we are in one of our factories. You can see here we have lots of kinds of coffee makers. For example, this one is triple coffee maker with grinder. You can see this here. And this is capsule coffee makers. These are an espresso coffee maker, and also these two are espresso coffee makers with grinder. You can see the grinder here.
In this factory, there are more than 60 injection machines to produce plastic accessories efficiently, non-stop, day and night. In this model room, the factory is able to create new molds by themselves and help you customize and do your design. Look at this lady, she is working so hard to do a new mold. What's more, there are 6 assembly lines. The workers are working in an orderly and efficient manner step by step. Before production, the factory will carry out accessory testings. After confirmed they're okay, then put them into the assembly line. During the production process, workers will do function tests to make sure everything goes well. And after a whole coffee maker is completed, there will also be quality testing. For the quality control, the factory has done a good job, and the factory has also obtained a variety of certificates, has its own appearance patent, supports factory inspection, and can also cooperate with clients to do relevant certifications. All kinds of coffee makers are available. Quality is strictly controlled. Production is efficient. For coffee makers, we are confident and professional. Just feel free to leave it to us. Thanks for your watching.